your taste and your likes will resemble in the design. See, generally, if you would have seen my home, I come from an Orthodox Hindu family. I love some of the symbols and some of the geometrical figures which I've seen in the temples, and that's how it resembled in my home. So obviously there are many players. We went with each and every player. We went with at least 4 companies, to be not wrong. We went with 4 companies. But Bonito is the only company which they asked us first, what do I like? And what do my kids like? And what do my wife like? What is our color? What is our mood? That's something different. Not generally other companies didn't ask us. And that's how the journey started. And this is our dream house, and we planned it for a long tenure, about 2.5 years, and finally we could able to get into it.
The standard, the quality, and the personalization. These are the 3 things that I will specify to my relatives and friends when I explain them about the design.
So I explained what is our family and everything. I have 1 boy and 1 girl, and they both have different characters, and I have to put them in the same room. And that's how my kids' room have come up. Though they belongs to a same room, but it had 2 different horizon, right? One is completely different with others. And thanks for the designer and who made that to put it in the same room. 10 out of 10.
Obviously 10 out of 10.